Okay, in the second part, we want to talk a little bit about the music that we are singing. If you look in your hymn book, you'll notice that there are some numbers. At the beginning of the iron rod, these numbers say 3/4, and then when you get down here, it switches to 4/4. And when you start the song over again, you're back to 3/4. Remember, we've gone over this in primary and we've had a lot of fun leading the music together. So I wanted to just remind you and teach you just a little bit more. So those are called time signatures. You can have a 3/4 time signature or a 4/4 time signature. This bottom number tells us a quarter note gets the beat. So in each measure, there are 3 quarter notes. And you have a pattern that goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But if we have a 4/4 time signature, this part is the same. This tells us about a quarter note. Don't worry about this one too much, but look at the top one to tell you how many beats are in our pattern. In 4/4 it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, over and over. And in this song we switch in the very middle. So we'll practice that in just a minute. I wanted to, if you want to take advantage of this, teach you a little bit about leading music. If you look in your hymn book on page 384, it gives you some different patterns to look at for how to lead the music. And I just wanted to teach you what they mean. So I've adjusted my camera just a little bit so that you can see my countertop here to help you understand when we're leading music. Most of the time, we're leading music back here up in the air, but I wanted you to hear and see what we're thinking while we're leading the music. So if we are leading a pattern of 3/4, okay, like this one, our pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the way we lead that is we hit down 1, 2, 3, and we scoop it back up. So did you notice how 1 is here and 2 and 3 are over here? I hit 1, 2, and I go up a little bit, and then I hit again and scoop it up on 3. So let me count that with you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I just drew a line, it's like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle. So practice it with me. We'll do 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we scoop it back up. That's called the upbeat. The last one goes up, and the first one in our pattern goes down. So if you do it with both hands, I like to say it this way: down, out, up. Down, out, up. Down, out, up. And if I move it away from my counter, it looks more like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down, out, up. Okay, good. Let's try the 4/4. So if we have 4 beats per measure, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see how at the end, it was just like our one that was 3/4, where we went out and then up, and these two kind of hit in the same spot. So watch again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or down, in, out, up. Okay? Let's do 3 rounds of 4/4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And if we add our other hand, they just mirror each other. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, or down, in, out, up. Down, in, out, up. Remember I said our last beat is always the up beat, and our first beat is always the down beat. So 1 is down, 2, 3, and 4 is the upbeat. Okay, so now we're going to sing all 3 verses of the Iron Rod, and this one is for practicing leading the music. So I'll just step back and forth when we're in 3/4 time. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3. And I'll scoot this way when it's 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's one more trick you need to know in the iron rod. When we start leading the music, it's on an upbeat. So I'll kind of count it off like this, 1, 2, and then I'll give us an upbeat. So feel free to do the upbeat with me, or you just wait until the second word. So the upbeat is on 2 Nephi of olden time. All right, let's sing the song. Okay, good job. And I forgot to tell you, one, they take a little pause, is the word of God. 'Twill safely guide us through. So sometimes we take a little pause like that, and then we just jump back onto our beat. All right, good job. Have fun practicing leading the music, and then someday you'll be up in front of everybody leading the music too.